Kia ora. I'm just here at 259 Bower Ave and I'm trying to decide what to do with this property. On the one hand, there's an established 5-bedroom house with double garage and sleepout. It certainly needs some love though. But on the other hand, an 895 square metre section, perfect for building on. And it's going to be available just in time for Christmas.
Soon they will be here, same as every year. Everyone wants home for Christmas. No matter if it's near or for Christmas, yeah. No matter if it's near or far.
So what do you think? Build it up or tear it down? Either way, good luck fitting that under the Christmas tree.